Hello netizens. So this is about my trip to Jaisalmer, which I made for official purpose amid the pandemic in 2020 for 2 days. This video has happened just because of the shutterbug inside me that always pokes me and bites me to carry my camera kit with me wherever I go. I did not want any FOMO, the fear of missing out later on, which I have had in past on several occasions. So, with the least of the expectations, I took my camera kit and tried to capture whatever I could with the little free time and the gears I was carrying. The video mostly covers the Royal Heritage Hotel which I was staying in, called Mandir Palace, and some places close at hand. So, following is a little compilation of the least I could explore in Jaisalmer and capture during my 2 days Titan visit. I hope you'll enjoy watching it. See you at the other end of the video. last but not the least, watching this windmill in person was a surreal experience, to be honest. And as an icing on cake, while returning to hotel, we also got to see this rain in the desert. So yep, this sums up my 2 days trip to Jaisalmer. Thanks for watching.